Capital One Quicksilver pricing explained what you get for your money. The Capital One Quicksilver card is a no annual fee cashback card that often surprises people with how much value it delivers. Most people get this wrong. They assume no annual fee means limited rewards. The surprising truth is that Quicksilver's flat 5% cashback on every purchase makes it one of the simplest and most reliable cards for everyday spending. There are no rotating categories, no caps, and no complicated reward structures. For example, if you spend $0 a month on groceries, gas, and bills, that's in monthly cash back or annually, all with zero effort. The card also offers a one-time cash bonus after spending in the first 3 months, instantly adding value. Additional perks include no foreign transaction fees, extended warranty protection, and purchase security. While it doesn't have travel credits or premium perks, its simplicity, reliability, and zero cost make it ideal for everyday spending or as a secondary card for reward stacking. In conclusion, the Capital One Quicksilver card delivers consistent cashback with no annual fee and minimal effort. For anyone looking for a straightforward rewards card that maximizes everyday spending without hassle, this card is a highly valuable choice.